Today we are going to read half of Seed to Plant. So we're going to read the first half, and then tomorrow we're going to finish it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to read Seed to Plant. Remember, this is nonfiction. What does nonfiction mean? That we're going to read to learn information. Very good. Our author is Kristen Bayard Rattini. Remember, we don't have an illustrator because the pictures are took from the camera. All right, so the parts that we're going to read what is a plant. So we're going to find that out today. Parts of a plant. How does a plant begin? A plant grows. And what do plants need? So those are the things that we're going to talk about. We're going to read and talk about today. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So what is a plant? A plant is a living thing. So it's a living thing like us people. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. So like how we are living things and we can go wherever we want, the plants stay in one place. So they're living things, but they stay in one place. They can't move. They don't have legs or feet to move, but they do grow and change. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others grow fruit. Trees are plants too. So here we have a white water lily, a tangerine tree, and this is an orchid. All plants. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. So when we did our picture walk, we talked about how does this all have to do with plants? Well, farmers grow fruits and vegetables, which is the food we eat. This farmer is taking care of his cotton field, and that cotton is what makes our t-shirts and our clothes. And then this plant, which is a tree, is the home for the bear. Okay, parts of a plant, and this is actually what we're going to talk about today. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Roots hold the plant in the ground. So the roots, our feet are like roots. The stem helps the plant stand up. So your body is like a stem. Leaves soak up the sunlight, and your arms are like leaves. So how does a plant begin? 1. Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. 2. The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. So that's a big word. Germination is when the shoot comes out of the seed and it goes out. 3. A new plant is beginning. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil and a stem pushes up into the air. So on this page, can you point to the roots? Good. All of these are the roots underground. Where's the stem? Good. The little skinny line holding the plant up. And then where are the leaves? Awesome. All these green thingies. Awesome. Okay, a plant grows. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. So watering a garden helps it grow. So if you have a plant and you want it to grow, you gotta water it. Soil is the top layer of earth which plants grow in. So this little tree is gonna someday be as big as that. Just takes time. All right, and then our last page that we're gonna read today. So what do plants need? We actually did talk about this. So plants need these things in order to grow. Soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. So water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. So we did talk about that. So the nutrients, how the nutrients are in the soil, that's the plant's food. And when there's weeds, the weeds take the nutrients, take the food, and then the plants can't grow. So that's why you have to take the weeds out. So the soil soaks up water and the food that they need. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. So when you water a plant, you actually don't water the leaves, you water the roots. You water the soil down, and then the roots will soak them up because the leaves only take in sunlight and air. They don't take in the water. The roots take in the water. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. So you can't put a bunch of trees right on top of each other because they need space to grow big and strong, right? And so that's why when you go outside, plants are spaced out. All right, awesome job. And we will keep reading tomorrow. I hope you learned some information about plants.